Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to change the name of your iPhone personal hotspot. If you've already set up your iPhone to broadcast a personal hotspot, you may be looking at changing the name to something that others can easily find. If you haven't yet set up a hotspot, you can find a video that I did before showing you how to do it, and I'll put a link to it here. But now that we have it turned on and a password set, let's change the name. I'll switch over to my desktop computer so we can see the name that it's currently broadcasting. We see here that it's Andrew's iPhone. Back on the phone, head back to the main settings menu or just open the settings app. Next, tap General and then About at the top. Your personal hotspot is the name of your iPhone, so to change the name of your hotspot, we have to change our iPhone's name. Tap Name at the top. Give your iPhone a new name. We'll just put New Hotspot for example, and when you're finished, hit Done and then you can close the settings app. We'll now switch back to my desktop and look at the available networks, and we see the new name for my iPhone's hotspot. And that's how you change the name of your iPhone's personal hotspot. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.